Hey, so today I'm back. I'm going to show you two new features for iAgent. So we're going to be focusing this video specifically on an end-to-end creative workflow. So you can now transform not only yourself in an image, but a video and even a comic book and a storybook. So without further ado, let us get into it. Let's go. I'm on the iAgent dashboard and I'm going to hit generate a video. I already have a selfie I want to use, so if I just click the start frame, this is where the video will begin from. There's me with my little watermelon earrings. And you want to ideally select the ratio that is going to fit your picture. So for me, 9:16 is better. And you'll see that we have very different options now for the app. So you can actually have resolution. I'm going to keep it 720 for now. You can have up to 30 seconds for a duration, which is pretty cool. And I'm going to select off the multi-shot for now. The prompt I'm going to be using is create a video of me introducing myself in an Alice in Wonderland world. It's actually one of my favorite stories, so I'm very excited for this one. All right, let's see how this one goes. The agent is thinking. Let's go VO 3.1 premium. And in just one prompt, we have this video of me in Wonderland. Guys, you have to check this out. Hold on. This is crazy.
Welcome to my Wonderland.
It definitely got my watermelon earrings. Okay. So you can even take this one step further. Now, if you don't just want to be the main character of a video, you can actually within the same prompt box swap it to become the star of any comic book or storybook. So let's take a look at that. Let's click this little camera button here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click storybook mode. Now, I'm going to say create a story of me in Wonderland doing martial arts. Okay, so we can have up to 12 pages, even unlimited pages. So the ratio I've picked is 1:1. I think that'll fit mine very well. Resolution, let's do 2K. And I prefer to have it on a separate page for the text. My language is English, and you can even change the genre. Look at that. Superhero, dark sci-fi, fantasy, teen drama. There's so much to choose from. You can do manga, that'll be coming out soon. We can enable rich dialogue, which I'll do, and even voiceover. Great, so let's hit go and let's see what it comes up with. So just like this, you can just transform yourself as the star of a comic book, star of the video, star of an image, all in the same prompt box. Okay, and just like that, we have a comic book story. So let's take a look. So let's click, it will prompt me to read the storybook, which I'm gonna click here. Ooh, you can turn the pages. That is so cool. That is so cool. So let's start that again. Okay, so we have our comic book, which is pretty amazing. Look, oh look, you even got the Cheshire Cat in the background. I didn't see that till now. You can even turn the pages and...
The fall down the rabbit hole didn't end with a thud, but a precise, silent landing. Tap. I rose from my crouch, dusting off my red gi as the white rabbit gaped, his whiskers twitching.
That is so cool. So you can press autoplay if you want to actually have it read it out loud to you. Maybe you have a kid, I don't know, maybe you could even just let your kid listen to it. Okay, next page. Okay, I'm fighting the caterpillar's little puffs. And now I'm fighting the deck of cards. Very nice. Oh, look. Let's say you love the storybook, but like you want to edit it. I think this is one of the coolest pieces of it, is you can select any page you want to edit. So maybe, okay, instead of a flamingo, instead of fighting with a flamingo, let's see, it's gonna prompt me, this is an example, that you can change the image. So I'm going to change the flamingo, change my weapon for maybe the Mad Hatter. Okay, let's see what that'll do. Now it says AI is generating. Cool. That's pretty cool. So let's actually go back, click edit mode again. I'm going to select the text here. Now you can edit any of the text in here. So maybe instead of clack clack, maybe they go swoosh, swoosh, boom, I don't know. Cool, then it edits that. We can even change, I don't know, let's say I want, oh, I don't like that one as much, so maybe I'm gonna change that one. So you can change a bunch of different things, even the opacity of the text, kind of want it on 100%. Okay, and I've saved the changes. And now what you can actually do is you can download your comic book. So I'm gonna download all of the pages in a PDF form. Okay, let me show you the PDF. So that's the front cover, and then we'll go to our first page, and then our second page. And there you have it. A beautiful, fully downloaded PDF of your entire comic book. These are some really cool things that you can do here, guys. So honestly, check it out, have some fun, and show us your generations.